So before this video gets started, if you're a gig worker and you want to make extra money, there's a new company called Fetti that's the future of jobs. All you have to do is enter your email below, answer a couple of questions, and within 2 minutes, they're gonna send you a list of high-paying jobs that you can do from anywhere in the country. And who knows, you could actually make a ton of money. And they're actually looking for gig workers specifically. So sign up, enter your email, link below, and let's get started with the video. Uber and Lyft drivers are quitting left and right because they're going to start getting replaced by self-driving cars.
Oh, wow.
By 2024, Elon Musk.
Just next year.
Yep, in just about 6-7 months, there will start being robotaxis, Teslas driving around people for free. I mean, not for free, but no drivers. Like, they don't got to pay drivers.
Yeah.
So Tesla begins to bring a dedicated robotaxi with no steering wheel or pedals to market by 2024, so potentially before 2024.
Yeah.
Or it has to be before, right? Because it says by 2024. Does that mean that it has to be by the start of 2024, this has got to be out? That's just 2 years to develop, test, verify, produce at volume. Musk struck a bullish tone despite numerous challenges. Musk said this. I read his what he said, but can you do it in a Elon Musk voice?
I don't even know what he sounds like.
He goes, well, actually, yeah, I think it could be a very powerful product where we aspire to reach volume production.
He talks like that?
Kinda, yeah. He stutters a lot because his mind like moves so fast.
Oh.
It's not like a normal stutter. It's more like he's like thinking constantly. Because I think his brain like operates at like 10 times speed, 100 times speed than the average person. I think the robotaxi will be a massive driver of Tesla's growth. No pun intended. Get it?
Yeah.
Because driver for the car.
Yeah.
But no driver, but driver for his growth. Driver for Elon's growth. So what do you guys think? Do you think you will be replaced? I think a lot of drivers are already starting to quit because they know they're going to get replaced eventually.
Yeah.
They're like, well, I don't have a long-term, like the long-term plan is to have no drivers. So why would you want a long-term, like, you know, do this job when you know you're going to get replaced?
Yeah, you got to start finding a plan B, guys.
Yeah. Like the plan B pill, okay? Not the pill, but a plan B in life. Like maybe something like Fetti, guys. Link below. But Fetti will actually help you get a good job that matches your skill from companies that match your values. Izzy, what are your values?
Integrity.
Okay.
Integrity. Yeah.
Guys, seriously, check out Fetti, though, if you haven't done so already. In 2 minutes, it's totally free. You just fill out a couple questions like this. Your perfect match is 2 minutes away. This is the best thing to ever happen. This is the best thing that's come out of the technological revolution.
Yeah.
You seen this? So, yeah, check out Fetti.